Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be telling you how to grow and take care of your grapefruit tree. So if you guys see here, I've got a nice plant. It's pretty good size. It's been alive for about 8 years now, so it's growing pretty well. It's almost fruit season time. So here we've got our grapefruits. They're growing pretty nice. We've got a lot of them too. So I'm really happy about that. Pretty good harvest. Pretty good size too. They've still got some growing time left. As you can see, they're a little green, not quite ripe yet. But that'll come with time. I noticed they usually like to produce around January, February-ish. And then you can just leave them on, pick them whenever. Super nice. So I'm just going to show you a couple of tips and tricks to help take care of it. So as you can see here, we have a drip line attached. And so this will water it once a day, usually about 2 to 3 gallons. Maybe a little more than that, but it just helps it out and with growing, and you can't really have a nice fruit producing tree without a drip line. Another thing I have here is some citrus and avocado food. I usually like to put this on every 4 to 6 weeks, so like 2 to 3 times every 2 to 3 months. We've got a pretty good sized one, so as you can see here, we have a little bit of fertilizer that's still there from the last time I fertilized it. We're just going to take just a few handfuls and then spread it around the base of the tree. And this will eventually absorb into the soil when the water comes on. And it just has lots of nitrogen in it, which helps the tree grow. And that's especially nice. This tree has some nitrogen deficiency. As you can see here, the leaves are kind of turning colors. There's some yellow around the tips. That just means it needs more nitrogen, and it'll help it grow better and then the leaves to produce. And that's about all the leaves on the tree, so I probably need to put a little extra on, which is smart. And don't go too overboard with this. It's not super cheap either, so it's not a good economical decision. You can find the stuff at just any, pretty much any grocery store. There's different brands too, like Home Depot or Walmart or Lowe's. Just pick the stuff up. A lot of people ask, is it really worth it to buy fertilizer? And yes, it costs money and it's investment, but when it comes to fruit producing, you really can't beat it. So then another thing I've got here is some just clippers, and I get these at Home Depot. And every once in a while I like to come around the bottom of the tree, and we have little sucker leaves right here. These aren't going to produce any fruit, and they're not helping the tree at all. So I just like to pull them off. So you're just going to try to make it clean as cut as you can. Usually it takes a little bit. There you go, you got it. Here's a couple of these. Right here. And usually don't go pruning crazy right about now. Once after the fruit have produced, then you can go through and make a deeper clean of stuff. But just go around and take off anything that's dead. There's a dead leaf or branch. Just gonna clip them off. So I'm not gonna show you me trimming the whole tree, but that's gonna be really helpful for it. Doesn't need all this excess stuff. So as you can see, pretty nice plant right here. Really happy about it. If you have any questions about growing it, just leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.